किती बेस असा तुमच्याकडे. सो हे जे असा हे प्लीज सगळे बंद करात. आम्ही सदांच याच्या वांगडा असतले आणि आमचे MLA दाबोलीचे MLA असतात त्यांच्या वांगडा आम्ही सदांच असतले ज्यांच्यानी महिला सशक्तीकरणात खूप सहभाग केलेला असा. गेलीशी कितलीशी वर्सां त्यांच्यानी आपली आमच्या महिला सशक्तीकरणाक दिलेली असा. तेका लागून कोण जे चित्ता पर्सनल बेनिफिटा खातीर त्यांच्यानी तसे चिंतप न्ही. आमच्या मध्ये हे जे झालेले असा इज व्हेरी बॅड इन स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. कित्याक एका बायलेचे इमेज घाण करपाक प्रयत्न केलेला असा विदाउट एनी इविडन्स. कितें 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 तेतून जे भरयले असा हांव अपील करता आणि हांव मागता जे कोणी हे ज्यांच्यानी पब्लिश केलेले असा त्यांची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जावन आसा ते प्रूव्ह करून दाखयात. ते तुमच्याकडे इविडन्स नसताना कोणी उलोवंक जायना ज्याचे बेसय ना. फक्त 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 तुमच्या पॉलिटिकल गेना खातीर फक्त आयज आम्ही मुद्दाम ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलेली असा. ही शिटकावणी असा की बायलांचे कितेंय नाव घाण जर करत जाल्यार सगळी बायलां अख्ख्या गोंयांत सगळी बायलां एकठांय जातली. कित्याक जे तुमकां मोबायल दिलेलो आसा त्याचो वापर सारको करात. याचे नाव घे त्याचे नाव घे. तुमचे पर्सनल कितें आसत कोणाचे तरी पर्सनल कोणा वांगडा तरी आसतले पण त्याचो हो प्लॅटफॉर्म न्ही की व्हॉट्सॲप यूज कर खंयचोय ग्रुप रेडी कर आणि त्या ग्रुपाचेर तुम्ही घाल. सगळे ॲडमिन जे आसा आता ताणें सायबर कॅफेन हे केलेले आसा कंप्लेंट लॉन्च केलेली आसा. जे कोण आसा त्याचे आम्ही रुटापर्यंत वयतले. ज्यांनी कोणी फॉरवर्ड केलेले आसा ज्यांनी कोणी कितें केलेले आसा सगळ्यांक पनिशमेंट जावपा सारखे आम्ही प्रयत्न करताले. कित्याक हे जे आसा हे खंय तरी बंद जावपाक जाय. बायलां म्हटल्यार रस्त्यार ना. खंयच्याय बायलेक घेतले खंयच्याय कोणाक घेतले तुम्ही दुसऱ्या वांगडा लायले आणि लोकांमध्ये सर्क्युलेट केले. फाल्यां तुमच्या जे कोणी केलेले आसा ते जे कोण फॉरवर्ड करता आता केलेले आसा ते केलेले आसा. ह्याच्या फुडें हांव अपील करता रिक्वेस्ट करता सगळ्यांक की ज्यांच्या कोणी हे जे कोण फॉरवर्ड करता एकमेकाच्या व्हॉट्सॲपार प्लीज फॉरवर्ड करनाकात. चिता
news report which was circulated, it is a false news report which was never published in any of the papers, and building upon that people are circulating it all over using my photographs with my boss, that is my MLA here. People are dragging me into all of this, and even him only because I am associated with him. Story was circulated. You are using the social media platform and circulating it along with my name, tagging the Prime Minister, everyone, attaching it. This story is circulated along with my photos, and you are posting it, tagging everyone and circulating it everywhere, giving statements. Are you know me personally? You know is there any truth in that? पयली तर इतलें चिंता की चेडवाचे इमेजीचेर तुमी कितें करता तें. I am not into this. Neither is the story true. Best build up करून attaching my photos to that. It was just taken. All those photos are taken out from my personal Facebook post. So माझ्याच पोस्टाचे माझे सोशल मीडियाचे फोटोज काढून खंयचे स्टोरी करता ताका अटॅच करतले आनी एवरीवन इज सर्क्युलेटिंग इट. It has deeply pained me. And all of this, see, everyone is in great shock. Why? Because no one has ever imagined that all people can go so low and make up stories like this and do a big thing out of it, and everyone is circulating it. That social media, it has to be used in a good way, but now I can see that we are heading towards disaster now using social media. Is this the way how we will go ahead? We have forgotten all our basic values. No morals, nothing. Is this the way you all empower a girl, empower a woman?
What she said is very much true. कित्याक we women जेन्ना आमी वयर स्वता in politics हो एक स्टेप घेता हे disinformation, हे malign करपाक, derogatory remarks, this is a common thing which we women face. And so in public life when she is associated with the minister, whatever happened between her and her husband is their personal problem. But I feel that as a deputy sarpanch, there is so much of jealousy, and many women are jealous among us only. She just now said Girish Chodankar. He stays miles away. It is somebody from this constituency, the opponents. The opponents from this constituency who has given him the message. But it was his duty also to verify. Because when I saw that message and when I saw Aishwarya's photo, it was clearly looking like a Photoshop, cropped up press. It was not a news of the press. Her photos, which she won election 2-3 years back and was garlanded by the minister, is coming on social media, and such functions where they attend of our eye camps, etc. These social media photos linking her to an issue which never happened, and as Anita just said, the birthday, this incident took place at Bogmalo, and half of Bogmalo she is going to reach Bicholi. It is something which cannot be just imagined. When an image of somebody, the only way I feel you can win elections today, you can spoil the upcoming young women, is to defame her name. And when people are not strong in politics, it is very much hurting. When a new young student of mine, I've been elected 4 times, 20 years, I had nerves of steel, but still I couldn't sustain this pressure. And that's why I decided I've done enough in public life. I quit politics because of these false things that they don't want a woman to come up, the opponents, because they cannot do what we have done. That jealousy, which I find was the main cause. And that same thing I think Aisha has been dragged into a controversy, and even here it is only platform, social media, to spread and malign someone's image. So I condemn this, and I condemn that this should not happen to any elected women of our Goa Panchayat Mahila Shakti Abhiyan.